Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making crab gratin, a casserole dish with crab meat and creamy white sauce. Gratin is a popular Western-style dish in Japan, and it's usually made with some starch, such as macaroni, rice, or potatoes as a complete meal. These are the ingredients. If it's hard to find crab meat, you can use canned crab or other seafood. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Slice onion thinly. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel the potatoes and slice. And cut into a 1/4 inch thick matchsticks, like that. Heat oil in a frying pan at medium heat. Add the potatoes and saute for a few minutes. Add the sliced onion and season with salt and pepper and cook until the onion softens. Add the baby spinach and mix until the spinach is wilted and set aside. Now we are making the white sauce. In a different pot, melt butter at medium heat, add all-purpose flour, cook for a couple of minutes, stirring constantly until the sauce bubbles. Add milk and whisk well so there are no lumps. Cook until the sauce thickens. Season with salt and a pinch of pepper. Stir and add the crab meat and mix well. Set aside 1/3 of the sauce for topping later. Add the vegetable to the rest of the sauce and mix. Put the mixture in a baking dish. Pour the remaining 1/3 of the sauce on top. Cover the surface with the shredded cheese. And bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and garnish with chopped parsley. Serve immediately while it's hot. Crab gratin is not hard to make at all as long as you have the ingredients. It is warm and comforting, a perfect dish to make at home on a cold day. 美味しい。